In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values in Airtable. If you want to quickly total up numbers like budgets, costs, or other money-related values inside your Airtable base, this is a simple and useful setup. The key is making sure your field is formatted correctly as a currency field, so Airtable can recognize the values properly and display the total clearly. First, open your project in Airtable and go to the table where you want to track and add up your values. Make sure you're in the view where you want to enter the numbers, since that's where you'll be able to see the total later. Next, look across the top row of your table where your field headers are listed. At the far end of those headers, click the plus button to add a new field. This is how you create a column specifically for the values you want to total. Once the new field options appear, type currency so you can find the correct field type. Then click on currency from the list. Choosing the right field type matters here, because it formats your entries as money and helps keep everything consistent. It also makes the sum easier to read at a glance. After that, enter a field name. You can name it something clear and specific, like budget, project cost, or any label that matches the kind of values you'll be entering. A descriptive field name is helpful, especially if your table has a lot of columns. Then click on the option to select a preset and choose the one that fits your needs. This usually lets you define how the currency should appear, such as the symbol or formatting style. Picking the right preset helps keep your data neat and easier to understand. Once everything looks right, click Create. Your new currency field will now appear in the till and will be ready for data entry. Now go ahead and add your budget values into the budget field. Enter each amount on the appropriate record or row. Be consistent with your entries so your total reflects the numbers accurately. Since this is a currency field, Airtable will automatically format the values for you. Finally, look toward the bottom right corner of the table. That's where you'll see the sum. Airtable calculates the total of the values in that field, giving you a quick overview without needing to do any manual math. And that's it. You've created a currency field, entered your values, and found the sum in Airtable. This is a great way to track totals for budgets and other financial data quickly and clearly.